Okay guys, let's unbox the new iPhone 14 Pro. I have 14 Pro and so is my husband, so dalawa kami. Let's see. It just came in today in the mail via UPS. So here, so we got the purple. We both got the purple. Here you go. Okay. So I'm gonna have to open this up here and open this up here. That's it. And what the heck just happened? Okay, so it looks like this. Ay, my gosh, nahuhulog. Ayan. It's like that. It's like a purple navy. This is 14 Pro. So I dropped it twice already. Oh. This one. I currently have the 13 Pro, which is a gold one. So yeah, we have the same color. So what's inside is only this and this one. Yeah, that's it. And this one. Okay, so let's turn it on. Oh, not that one. Let's turn it on this side. There you go. And there you go. Hello. So let's move up. Like setting up the same with, iPhone. So English, of course, United States. Nakakainis. This is what I don't like about setting up a new phone, because I have to enter the password and everything like that. So I'm just gonna let my husband set this up. And this one, guys, no more SIM card, only electronic SIM card. So over here, there is no more SIM card slot. No more. This is like the mute, sound, and then a volume. And then over here is the power. Same. But this one doesn't have any SIM card slot. This is not the SIM card slot. Yeah, no, so. And this one is ready to set up. You just have to transfer. We're gonna do transfer instead of setting it up as a new phone. So that's it. Nothing to rave about. Color, mint's fine. Purple is more like violet and like deep purple. Kind of deep purple navy, as you can see, like that. There. I still like the gold better, in my own opinion. That's just my preference. Like, if you like purplish, navy bluish, then you should get that one. If you don't like purplish bluish, then stick to whatever original color preference you want. Okay, so that's it. That's all for the unboxing. Next step would be transferring your files, whatever files or whatever stuff you have from your old iPhone to your new iPhone. So again, this one doesn't have a SIM card anymore. So from SIM card, transfer to electronic SIM. So yeah.